Hi guys! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Yes, it's me, Miss IC. So for today's video vlog, ayan, mag-Shein haul tayo. Shein haul. Ayan, so ang dami kong mga Shein haul na ipapakita sa inyo. So slowly I'm going to share with you guys. In the meantime, I'm going to share with you first a small bag I purchased at Shein. Actually, I want to try ordering also at Temu, but I'm finding it's quite a bit expensive in Temu compared to Shein. I'm not sure. Maybe hindi ako nag-scan mabuti sa Temu. By the way, yan guys, samahan niyo ako. I'm going to show you. So, ayan, nag-purchase ako ng small purse. Small bag lang siya. Slim bag. Ayan, so minsan gagamitin ko sa pupunta ko ng church, but I realized masyado siyang maliit at baka makalimutan ko kapag maliit kasi yung dala ko, nakakalimutan ko. Ayan, so ito siya guys, it's very tiny but it's very cute. Ayan, I like this. So, i-press mo lang siya dito pag in-open mo siya. Ayan, meron din siyang ganyan. Yun. Kasi lang dito yung phone, charger, and some small wallet. Importante keys, mga ganun. Ayan, ang lakas din naman siyang makasya, especially sa mga teenager actually. So, yun. But I bought this like 28 SAR. Parang ganun yung price niya. So, it's very cutie. Actually, napaka-ano lang siya. Simple but elegant. Ganun. Pang-casual. Pang-casual lang. Cute. Para sa mga hindi madaming ganong may binibitbit or something. This is for good, especially sa mga occasions na party na pupunta nyo. This is very perfect. Ayan. So, kung kahit naka-jeans ka, naka-short, it's perfect dress. Whatever, it's very perfect. Cute nga eh. Ayan. So, yan guys. Share ko lang sa inyo. Thank you for watching and hopefully, pasubscribe na rin din po sa aking channel. Thank you and see you again sa aking next vlog.